Hey guys, Thomas here at Jaspy's Case Breaks. We've sold out 2024 Leaf Ultimate Sports one box break RNB number 9. RNB. So if you get randomized to number 3, anything like 13 of 99, 3 of 25, 43 of 49 will go to the 3 spots. The first number left of the slash. There's our break sheet, our dice roll. Here's our list of names. Aaron picks up the first 5. Eugene and Will pick 1 each. And Alexander closes out with 3. There's 0 through 9. Let's go ahead and roll these dice. 2 and a 6 for 8 times on the randomizing. Good luck. That was 2. That was 3. That was 4. That was 5. That was 6. That was 7. 8th and final time. Boom, 8. Alexander up to Aaron. Now same dice, 6 and a 2, 8 times for the list of numbers. That was 1. That was 2. And 3. And 4. And 5. And 6. And 7. 8th and final time. Boom, 8. We get 3 up to 1. All right, Aaron with 0, all redemptions, and 1 with 1 and 1s. Alexander with 2 and 3, Eugene with 4, Alexander with 5, Aaron with 6, 7, and 8, and Will with 9. All right, let's go ahead and print this out. Let's flip the screen. We got 2 boxes right here. I'll roll a dice. 1, 2, 3 will be the top box. 4, 5, 6 will be the bottom box. Let's create a little backboard here. And it is going to be number 2, which is top. That bottom box will be for the next break that I will post up right after we finish this. All right, good luck, guys. First up, Jade Cargill, 2 of 8. Jade Cargill. Not know who.
In here?
Jade Cargill.
Oh, holy smokes!
2 of 8 going to Alexander in the 2 spot. Next, wow. How about Kobe Bryant? 5 of 8, Kobe. Quad relic. Game used as well. Wow. That's going to the 5 spot. And Alexander. Congrats, Alexander. How about Kobe Bean Bryant? That's very nice. And let's see what we got here. That's pretty sick. How about Rob Gronkowski and Jay Novacek? Dual auto. 10 of 12 going to the 0 spot, and Aaron. That was a pretty solid box. Gronkowski and Jay Novacek dual auto going to the 0 spot, and Aaron. Kobe Bryant quad relic, 5 of 8, all game used, going to the 5 spot, and Alexander. Then we got Jade Cargill, 2 of 8 auto, going to the 2 spot, and Alexander as well. I appreciate it, guys. Thank you so much. That was 2024 Leaf Ultimate Sport 1 box break. Random number, block number 9. I will post up number 10 right now. I appreciate it. See you in the next video.